Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to start with the new topic, that is Nuxt JS. Okay. So guys, basically we are going to do a CRUD application in Nuxt JS using Laravel API. So guys, now let's get started. So as simple, here we have a command to create a Nuxt application, or let's get started with the documentation. Okay, so here you see the installation process, and for the new project you require a Node.js and one text editor and a terminal. Okay, so make sure your Node.js version is above 16. So now guys, let us get started with this npx command to create the project. Okay, so let's copy this and this will be the project name here. So guys, I have already created one folder with the Nuxt CRUD, and now here I have opened the project in a VS Code editor. So you see that Nuxt CRUD. So now guys, let me just make it full width, and here we paste the command and then type the project name. So I don't want to create another folder inside my Nuxt CRUD folder. Okay, so I just wanted to install or create the project in the same directory. So just add a dot and hit enter. Just type yes. Okay, so guys, here you see our Nuxt application has been created, and now it says that install the dependencies with the npm install. Okay, so let's run npm install, hit enter. So it starts the installation of the required packages. So guys, here you see that we just timed out, and again I have run the npm install. This came because of the network issue, and now let me retry to npm install again. So now guys, our npm successfully installed, and here you find the node modules folder all done. And now guys, let's run this application first. So just run the command npm run dev, hit enter. So now guys, our application is successfully served and it started on the URL called localhost 3000. Okay, copy that, get back, and let's paste here, hit enter, and you see that welcome to Nuxt. Perfect. So we have successfully installed our Nuxt JS application and run the application. So now guys, let us just set up few things. So just go to next.config.ts file, and here you have to set up your meta title, descriptions, and your Bootstrap, CSS, and few things. Okay. So guys, now let's get started. So first step, let's move to our doc, and here you move to the SEO and meta. Okay, so here you see that on this config you can use in this way. Let us copy this and get back here, and you paste it. Done. So now guys, inside this head title, where you can mention that Nuxt 3 CRUD application, meta colon open and close array, give comma, and inside this you can set all your character set. Okay, you can use this inside your meta tag, open and close curly brace, paste it, all done. And here you give comma and again open and close curly brace, add a name colon inside single quote, again give comma, and then your content colon single quotes, where you paste this viewport name, and this is the data you are passing here. All set. So this was the setup for this, and now you can remove this, we do not require. And here you can add one more name colon, where you can tell not name, it's HID. Let's make it HID. That is your description, meta description. Okay, where again you will add the name colon inside single quotes. That is going to be meta description, and then give comma. Oops, here I missed the comma. So add a comma and then your content equals to, again just add the same code, and you can mention as meta desk to confirm that. And one more thing guys, that is your format detection. So format hyphen and again content colon where telephone. Okay, telephone equal to no. All set, guys. So these are going to be the meta. I think I have missed the comma over here. Yes. So all set. And now guys, if you want the links, so you can just link colon again open and close array inside this. And if you want the script, script colon open and close the array. So here you add your links. For example, you can just find that in here itself. If you go on the links, let me show you. So here is a way how to use link. Okay, so here you copy it, get back and paste here. All set. This is for the font. If you want to use the same font, so I'm going to leave it because I need this font. So let's add this, and here just add a comma and again open and close. Now I want the icon where you mention that as icon comma, and then what is the type of it. You can mention that image hyphen x hyphen icon. Okay, and then give comma and tell the href colon where you mention the home path fev icon dot ico. So which is going to show here. Let me show you. So by default home, it goes to home path, which is searching for fev icon dot ico. Okay, ico, and then you pass for the Bootstrap. So I want to link a Bootstrap now. So what we need to do, yes, let's tell rel, and here we'll tell style sheet. Okay, and then href colon. If you want, you can store the Bootstrap in your application, or else you can copy the direct CDN link. So let me just copy the CDN link, guys. Go to getbootstrap.com and just copy the CDN links. Now let's go to the docs and you find that CDN links. So here they are. So I'm going to copy this href. Okay, let's copy that, paste inside this href, and then get back again. Here is a rel and integrity and also the cross origin. Okay, so we do not require this. You can just ignore those, and now you can get back. So this is our Bootstrap CSS CDN link, and now we are going to start with the script tag. Okay, so here open and close curly brace where you can add the src colon inside single quotes, and this type is going to be as text / JavaScript. Done. And here you are going to add two links. One is your jQuery CDN link and one is the Bootstrap CDN link. So first let us add the Bootstrap CDN link. So what is that bundle? So here is the bundle. Let me copy this, the bundle JS link. So here I paste. All set. So now guys, let me copy this and also add the jQuery CDN link. So for that, you can just Google here jQuery CDN link, hit enter, and we go here jQuery CDN, and here let's get the minified one. Let's copy it. Just copy the link and paste that. That's it, guys. So our script is linked and CSS are linked, and the title and meta description all are set. So now guys, you can get back and check for this. Okay, so here if you refresh, you find that. Okay, so guys, whenever we do any changes in the nuxt.config.ts file, the application will again restart it. So we just need to wait to restart again, and then you can just get back, refresh and see the output. So now guys, here you see our application is reserved successfully, and now let us get back and refresh and see the output. Okay, perfect. So here you see the font is little changed and user interface also is changed guys, because we have linked the Bootstrap, it just got clashed. So now let me get back to the main file. So let's close all this and go to the app.view. So here you see the Nuxt welcome. So we do not require this, just need to remove it. That's it. And now guys, let us type the h1 tag where welcome main page. And now I just wanted to test that the Bootstrap is linked correctly or not. So for that, let me just design a simple button. So you can tell I am button of Bootstrap of Bootstrap. So here I add a class button primary. Save it, and now let's see the output. So if you refresh, awesome. So here you see that Bootstrap is linked successfully. And now guys, you find that the title also is Nuxt 3 CRUD application, which is calling from your nuxtconfig.ts file, okay, by default. And if you want to see all this meta descriptions also, you can just inspect and check out that. Go to the elements, and inside the head tag we find all the meta description and viewport. So here you see viewport description and your format detection. Okay, so all these are contents. Perfect. So guys, we have seen the meta, and now guys, let us create the pages. So how do we create pages in Nuxt application? So it is very simple guys, you don't need to do any routing. So this is the best part of the Nuxt. So you just need to go to your root directory and create a new folder named pages. That's it. And now inside this pages, you need to create one file called index.view. Hit enter, and here is your index page. Done guys. So you can use the view extension. So yep, hit enter and you set up this. Okay, so here I don't require this type. So let me remove it and just add a setup here, and then you can start with the div, open and close div, and here you set up open and close I am home page. Okay, so here I want to set a title for this. So what we can do, go to the docs and move on here itself, use head. So let's click on it. Here is a method, so however you want. Okay, so let me copy this also correctly and get back and paste it here. All set guys. So I don't want this script body meta because I'm going to use a default one, home page. All set. Let's save it guys, and same way you're going to create for the about us page also. Let me copy and paste and rename the file as about-s about us. Okay, and here you change that about us, and here also about us. Let's save it. So same way, let me copy and paste for the contact also. So let's rename contact-s, contact us. All done guys. Let me change the title here. You save it. And now guys, main thing, you have to go on your app.view file. So here you have to set some things. Let me remove this and tell the next page. So for that, let me show you on the documentation here on this view. Okay, so here you see, now let's move on this pages. So we go here, and guys, this is how we are going to use like index and about us. So to set up these pages, here you see, to use the pages, create index and add Nuxt page component. Okay, and go to the app.view file. Let's go back, and here we are, and you just need to paste it. Okay, let's save it, and now you see the output. Refresh. Perfect. So I am home page, and if you just type about-s, you move to your about page, and you see the title also changes here, about us. Same with the contact us. Okay, contact-s. If you click here, I am contact us page, and the title changes. Perfect. So guys, now let us create one navbar using Bootstrap to navigate the pages. So yep, what we have to do, you can just add one simple component. So let's create one folder named component s. Okay, components. So inside that component, we'll create the navbar. So now let's create the navbar or header, whatever you use it. Okay, so let's make it the header part. Header dot view. Hit enter. This is the header, and if you require the footer also, just add the footer dot view, but we will keep it empty itself. V colon view. So here I do not require this. You can just remove it and just use a setup. That's it. Save it, and nav, open and close div, and here you paste your navbar code. Let's get back to the navbar. Inside navbar, here you go, search for the navbar, and let's copy this first navbar and remove unwanted things from it. Paste it, save, and guys, I do not require this form and this true drop downs. And now guys, here let me change this to home, and this will be the about us, and same way you have to copy for the contact us. So before copying for the contact, I just want to use a Nuxt link. Okay, so what does this Nuxt link do? So if you use a tag, it will refresh the page, but if you use a Nuxt link, it doesn't refresh, but it will navigate through your pages. So for that reason, we are going to use Nuxt link, and here you tell about -s. Okay, so let's copy this and paste here, and this will be the contact us. All done. And now guys, for the home page also, let's change the Nuxt link. Nuxt link, and I do not require this. Make it a 2 and just add a home route. Save it. The spelling are missed. Let's correct that. Nuxt link, and here also you find it. So let's replace as Nuxt link and make it to 2 and just add a // okay, all done guys. And now let's save this and get back to your app view. So here you paste the header. So how can you do that? It's very simple. Just the header and end it. That's it. Oops, here I have made a spelling mistake. Now if you save it, so on the app view it is going to be the header. Let's save and get back here. So you see that the navbar comes over here. Awesome. So now guys, let me align those navbar things. I mean redesign few things. And here just add a shadow, and it's going to be a container, not container fluid. And this is margin start auto. Okay, save it, and now you see the difference. Awesome guys. So now I'm going to click on about us. You see the pages are navigating, title also is getting changed, contact us. Okay, so this is how we set the pages. Okay, So now guys, we have successfully learned how to create the application, link the Bootstrap, and set up the pages also. So with that, we have learned how to set up the component. And if you want to know how the layout also is working, will work for this Nuxt.js. Like, let me show you a doc over here. So inside this docs, you see the layouts also. Okay, how this layouts will work for this, how it is going to implement in the Nuxt.js application. So if you want to learn, please comment below so I can teach you in a brief way from the scratch how to build a admin dashboard also using this Nuxt.js. Okay. So guys, in this video, that's it. And now guys, let's continue in next video about how to start the CRUD application in Nuxt.js using Laravel API. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share.